Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys pattern lock remove setting in your Tecno phone guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you remove your pattern lock in your Tecno phone. Guys you want to remove guys your pattern lock means guys you want to delete your pattern lock and guys you want to off your pattern lock, so guys you can off, delete and remove. So guys now let's see how to remove it. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting to remove our pattern lock. Then guys scroll it and guys you can see guys your security setting. So guys tap here, then guys click on your screen lock and guys draw your pattern, and guys you can see this non option and swipe option, so guys you can take yourself. So I will take guys this swipe option, and guys you can see this remove option. Yes, remove it. So guys your pattern will remove, then guys you cannot use your pattern lock. So I hope friends you have understood how to remove pattern lock in our Tecno phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Guys now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye my friends.